S pirhi, šunko, hrenom in potico so kristjani končali velikonočni konec tedna. Nekateri so se pred tem tudi vsaj deloma postili. Na primer, veliko se jih odloči, da ta čas ne bodo jedli sladkarij. Strožji pa je predpisani post za muslimane v mesecu ramazanu. S tridnevnim bajramom se bo končal 9. aprila. Ves mesec se je postil tudi 14-letni Mehmet, s katerim smo se srečali na osnovni šoli Danile Kumer v Ljubljani.
Ramazan ali Ramadan je 9. mesec muslimanskega leta, ki se ravna po luninih menah.
It's the time of the year where you're closer to God, your prayings are more, and it's also to show empathy and relate to the poor, to see how they feel.
V tem času zato prebira Koran, moli in se vsak dan posti. To pomeni, da ne je in ne pije od jutranje zore do sončnega zahoda.
You eat during the night. You wake up in the middle of the night, maybe 3 or 4 a.m. and you eat during that time, which is like a breakfast, and then you go back to sleep and then you continue your day. Evening times at maybe 7:30 o'clock. You also eat at maybe 13 or 14. You are mostly required to do it, but before that it's not required. But for example, my sister maybe does it at the weekends, but not during the weekdays because it can be harder for going in the school and stuff.
Mehmet se je odrekel tudi nogometu s prijatelji, saj pravi, da bi težko tekel po igrišču brez vode. Ko je čas za šolsko malico, se le včasih pridruži sošolcem, večinoma pa jih v tem času počaka na hodniku.
I also tried to convince my friend to try it. He said he would try it, but he only lasted 1 day and he didn't do it again, but it was really hard for him.
Najbolj pa se veseli bajrama, tridnevnega družinskega praznika ob koncu ramazana.
You go in the morning at the mosque. It's around in the really early time. You usually go to your other friend's house. You basically have a big celebration about it. And you usually eat a lot of candy. You don't just celebrate this by yourself. You are usually required to give the money to the poor so they can also celebrate it. They can also buy new clothes and they can celebrate with their family.